Now we're gonna do 14. And then 14, it's telling us right here how many grams are in 2.3 times 10 to the negative 4 moles of calcium phosphate. So here are given. So here for 14, your given will be 2.3 times 10 to the negative 4 moles of calcium phosphate. So what you're trying to find out is grams of calcium phosphate. So that means we're gonna go this time from moles to grams. So from moles to grams. So that means we're gonna multiply this time by the molar mass. Our job now is to first determine the molar mass of calcium phosphate. Oops, not 14. So calcium phosphate okay, first step for molar mass, right? Remember that's what we're determining, the molar mass. So to figure this sucker out, we're gonna separate each atom. So we have calcium, phosphorus, and oxygen. With that said, you're gonna first determine the number of subscripts. The number of subscripts for calcium would be 3. Phosphorus, you have to distribute the 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 will be 8. Next, we have to find their masses. For calcium, it's going to be 40.1. For phosphorus, it'll be 31. And oxygen, 16. As we multiply, we end up with 120.3 for calcium. For phosphorus, it'll be 62. And for oxygen, it'll be 128. So then you add them all up. (310 grams per mole). Okay, so now that we figured out their molar mass, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert, okay, using this entity. So here we have our dimensional analysis line. We have 2.3 times 10 to the negative 4, and these are moles of couple, okay? So I'll just put it right there because it's not gonna fit. So don't forget that our conversion factor is 10.3 grams of calcium phosphate, and all of this is equal to 1 mole. Now what are you gonna put down here? Yeah, well, do you put grams? Does that match with that unit? No, it's moles. So that means you're gonna put the 1 mole and on the top you're gonna have grams. And so now all you gotta do is calculate it. you end up with 0.0714. And these are going to be grams of calcium phosphate. Okay. That's 14.